Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Elementaryos 8.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Elementaryos official website. It is elementary.io. Scroll down, see here we have the option to purchase. You can pay any one of these amounts or you can pay custom. If you don't have, just give 0 and click on download Elementaryos. See, we have two options by using torrent link or direct method. Okay, click on either of them. See, download started, go to downloads. See here its size is about 3.1 gigabytes. Okay, I'm cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine to create new virtual machine. Next, now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO, then click on browse, then select the downloaded ISO image, then click on open. Next, now select the Ubuntu because this is based on Ubuntu operating systems. Click on next. Now provide the virtual machine name. I am giving virtual machine name as this is just virtual machine name. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. This is the default location. Okay. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify in one of these settings, click on customize hardware and you can change. I am okay with all the settings, then click on close, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, then click on edit virtual machine settings or right click on select settings. Okay, if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Press any key. Now select try or install Elementaryos. Select the first one and hit enter. Click on maximize. Now select the language from this list and click on select. Now select the language and click on select. Select the English type. I am going with United States English. Then click on select. Keyboard layout, I am going to select English US. See here for English we have different options. Default is English US. Okay, I am going with the same. Then click on select. Try or install. Okay, this is a fresh installation. I am going to select this erase disk and install. Then erase disk and install. Virtual machine. Click on this install. Select the drive. Then click on next. You can provide password. If you don't want to encrypt, click on this don't encrypt. If you want to include third-party proprietary drivers when installing, and I agree. If you want, you can select and you can select this erase and install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart device. See, please remove the installation medium. Then press enter. Okay. Right click on this virtual machine settings. Then go to CD DVD in device status and select both the checkboxes. Then click on OK. Then come to here and hit enter. Select the language again. Now we have to create or set up user. I am giving user full name as R2 schools and this is the username. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. This is the device name or host name. I am changing this one. Then click on this See, account is disabled. Now right click on this one, then power, then restart the guest. Restart. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully logged in. Date and time settings. I don't want, skip all. Get started. Now open terminal. Go to applications. Then search for terminal. Click on it to open. Ctrl++ to increase the font size. Now verify the version. /etc os-release. See, we have installed 8.1 and this is the code name. See, its ID is like Ubuntu. That's why we have selected Ubuntu at the time of installation. Okay, the first step after connecting to Elementaryos 8.1 is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. Type for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Elementaryos 8.1 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.